More than 1,000 Toronto residents experiencing homelessness had an opportunity to access multiple vital services today at the 11th annual Homeless Connect event. From free haircuts to vaccines, housing and employment support, eye care, dental, clothing, and more. It was a one-stop shop for attendees at Toronto's Homeless Connect event, which featured more than 80 social service agencies and over 300 volunteers.
I'm getting my eyeglasses and some clothing and a little bit of food, so it's really nice.
Many services provided at the event are widely spread out throughout the city, making it difficult for vulnerable populations to access.
The guests who come through the doors, they're really happy to be able to access things in one place. Sometimes they have to go far away to different sites and different locations to get what they need.
Organizers say this year's event is the biggest one yet, with roughly 1,200 attendees, showing the increasing need for support. According to data from the city, over 10,000 Torontonians are experiencing homelessness, the highest number of any city in the country.
We are seeing that the shelter beds are full, and the shelter system is turning away over 200 people every single evening. So there really is no place to go. And as winter comes, and we know it's already here and it's going to get worse.
Meanwhile, the city recently released its winter services plan, which includes the addition of up to 530 temporary spaces in the shelter system. More than 200 of those spaces will be in warming centers across the city. Toronto Centre MPP Kristen Wong-Tam believes the biggest solutions to homelessness are affordable housing and mental health supports.
It's very important that every order of government recognize that homelessness and poverty and the housing crisis belongs to them, and only by governments working together can these issues be resolved. We're not seeing affordable housing built in Ontario. In fact, we're seeing it fall apart.
I'm trying to get a place. It's very hard to get a place because the money's not enough for rent. And I hope before I die I might get a place to live comfortable.
To date, Homeless Connect has served over 8,000 guests and provided over 36,000 direct services. The organization also hosts community events every other month. In Toronto, Catalina Gillies, City News.